Hello everyone. Welcome to our video. Today, we're going to introduce the features of Alert Reminder Boost. This tool allows you to send tailored alert emails whenever an item is created, modified, or deleted. It's also great for sending reminders for upcoming tasks or looming deadlines. Let's get started. Firstly, I will show you how to set up an alert for sending a customized notification email when a new item is created. Here we have a SharePoint task list. Click on Alert Reminder Settings in the list ribbon. In the Settings page, click on Add New Alert Item under Alert tab. Name the alert, here we name it New Task. Under the Event tab, in Change Type section, select When New Items Are Added option. Under the Message tab, specify the recipients. Click on To button. In the pop-up dialog, select the Assign to column and hit OK. It means the email will be sent to the users presented by this column. Click on CC button. In the pop-up dialog, select Report to column and click OK. It means the email will be CC to the users presented by this column. Click on Subject button and specify an email subject. You can customize the subject by inserting a list column. Or select these two options to show the alert name or notification type in the subject. Here, we specify the subject as this. Move to the Email Body section, select Include Item Information in the notification email. With this option, the email body will contain the item information. Tick the checkbox of Include Custom Content in the notification email option. This allows you to further customize the email body. You can insert list columns, tables, set text colors, effects, and more. For this demonstration, we'll set the content like this. Leave other settings as default and click OK. Let's go back to the task list. Create a new task and see what our notification email looks like. Let's check our notification email now. This is the personalized notification email for the new task. As you can see, the email body includes both the customized contents and the item details. Then, I will demonstrate how to set up an alert for sending a customized notification email when an item is modified. Still in the task list. Click on Alert Reminder Settings in the list ribbon. Click on Add New Alert Item under Alert tab. Give a name for it. For this demonstration we name it Modified Task. Under the Event tab in Change Type section, select When Existing Items Are Modified option. Under the Message tab in Email Header section, specify the recipients. Click on To button. In the pop-up dialog, select Assign to column. Then click OK. Click on CC button. In the pop-up dialog, select Report to column. And click OK. Click on Subject button. In the pop-up dialog, specify a subject for the email. Here, we specify the subject like this. In the Email Body section, select the option of Include Item Information in the notification email. Tick the checkbox of Include Custom Content in the notification email option. And then enter the customized email content. Leave other settings as default and click OK. Let's go back to the task list. Choose one item and click Edit Item. Modify it and click Save. Let's check our notification email now. Here's the personalized notification email for the modified task. As you can see, the email body includes all the customized contents and item details, with all changes highlighted for easy reference. Next, I will demonstrate how to set up a reminder to send notify email when the event is coming to due. In the same list, click on Alert Reminder Settings on the ribbon. Navigate to the Reminder tab and click on Add New Reminder Item. Give a name for it. Here we specify as this. Under the Schedule tab, specify the recurrence of the reminder. For this example, we'll select Daily and set the pattern to every 1 day. For time range field, keep the default settings. Scroll down to which items generate notifications section, select items with conditions. Click Advanced for condition type. Input the following conditions. These settings will ensure that reminder emails are sent only when tasks are 3 or fewer days from their due date and their status is not yet completed. Under the Message tab, specify the recipients. Click on To button. In the pop-up dialog, select Assign to column. Click on CC button. In the pop-up dialog, select Report to column. Click on Subject button. In the pop-up dialog, specify the email subject like this. Next, move to the email body section. Select the option Include item information in the notification email. Also, make sure to tick the checkbox of Include custom content in the notification email. Then customize email content, just like the screenshot you see now. Leave other settings as default and click OK. After waiting for a short while, let's check our reminder email now. Here's the personalized reminder email for the upcoming task. As you can see, the email body includes all the customized contents and item details. BoostSolutions Alert Reminder Boost is available for a 30-day free trial. Just install and deploy the product to your SharePoint and start exploring all its features. If you need any help, remember that our support team is always available to assist you. We hope this tool enhances your SharePoint experience. Thank you for watching this video.